Uba Sostinus Sotun MLA Jirang rengkat ki officer na Block Development Office. Kilalet jurib ya ki skul hakathan Jorabat bat Khanapara ki bala syakta na kajing ther uslap ubajur haka samtarik nailar kabala penlong ya kini ki skul ban ai syuti ya ki khna hakane kasngi. Na uslap bajur bon ki kamera skul kila rung bat kim longshu ban penlong kelas hakane kasngi. Nalor ki skul ladon ru ki yeng ki sem jong ki breu bat ki surok ki lentiyat breu ki bala syakta na uni uslap. Na kaliang uba Sostinus Sotun MLA Jirang ula kentue ki breu sorkar ban penkloy ban ai jingerap ya kitu ki bala syakta jur na uni uslap lengba ka emergency relief fund.
Hả?
That pressure, because of the pressure, collapse.
How many feet? Almost
Yeah.
4.
Oh, jelly one. Yeah, here we have little deeper place, no? Nala is there, not a place.
Lagi nyates yang nalahan itu.
There will be no school.
My class 10 students, I will have to do exam and all the classes will not be like that. So, because we have kept everything like teachers place, all teachers, all phone they were seated, all those things were, all books and things. These are all the documents of the children we have collected. Yeah, this is staff room.
I think do like this. Now from what should be the ground floor.
Yeah, that's what I was taking out.
Because here, of course, yesterday not only your school, everywhere.
Because
But the things that here in the school, most of the time.
Because this is low ground also, that is the, and from there it is coming, and from everywhere, all those 4 sides it was coming. Even we were not able to remove the things.
So as I already discussed with DC, is constructive assessment. But now, today itself we are not able to kaba alor ke jinja kaba menin borok lai snowing kai jadi ke jinjur plat yang slap bala penjulor sibun ba ke jaga gilawan ban visit ke school Saint Jude ke jinjulor ke bala sikai kaba ke level jong ka kala tio hado kata kaba duk mentaksi borok kini school ke bodon kini ke border area selapun bala hang nama ba ki na school ke la jinjar ke school ki ke ground floor ke school bopun ke la tab lot kajing jot jing penjot jong ka lingba kajing hap slap along hado kata bat ni mentang gidang don sekui ki cakar ki bang hap likpet lagi haka area jong ka terngaro di grand sebak manai layo belek jing julor hatu ladon haki school nang ta haki area di ki area bedon nang ta ki gala yo ki video footage ki bakila da pha na kilang kinong yelam na kilang ki borsnong hagwede bat ki jing julor he jing penjulor ki surok nang ta ki landslide repair ki baladan haman lagi snong bedon hakene ka area tena kaliang jongang layo bani keren ya deputy commissioner layo bani keren video bat ding ta kadau ba ki na kilang deputy commissioner la pha ya video bat gram sebab mata ki don hak feel Bakin le ke assessment nak banta ka jingon kam bang bede jinjulo nang ba ki immediate relief ka de benyo bakin yo ban pa si jingon kam nak banta kinu ki snong le ke school dan kinu ki palayo ba la sakta lo ke jinjur plat ke slap melin kata ke de ba lakwa ban tenpau pat jo ki baro mata de mata ngdang lek so sek be ki jaka ki ba tangpun ba ki ba kisnong ke lai pun ya nak mata kuno bang yo ban pej ya ke de ke jinja kuno benyo pa assessment kunju nak menta benyo ya kila jingarap nak hamtam nak sokar immediate relief nak taki jangan kam juga lap penjulor lapa bajur lap